the mint leaves in the mixer. Then add cucumber and tomato in the mixer. Grind them well, all the three ingredients. Grind all the three ingredients in the mixer and add water as needed, and the paste will be like this. Now we will take an ice tray to form ice cubes of this mixture. Put the mixture in the ice tray. What is the use of these ice cubes? These ice cubes are the perfect solution for the suntan. When you go out in the sun and when you come back home, and if you have already refrigerated these ice cubes in your refrigerator, then you can always use when you come back from the sun on your face, on your arms, on your exposed body parts. And leave it for 15 minutes. After that, you wash it. You will never have any suntan. A homemade amazing solution to remove the suntan. Now you can have a look that ice cubes are formed, and this you can use it for a long time. So now you have a perfect homemade solution for your suntan remedy, and you can make it in no time and still you have a very amazing solution for your skin. Have a look at the ice cube. How beautiful is it looking? So it has all the ingredients. Mint leaves, which has antibacterial qualities. It reduces acne and dark spots and cools your skin when you come from the sun. And cucumber is a perfect cleanser for your skin. It brightens your skin. Tomato helps in skin whitening. Your skin starts glowing and there is no effect of suntan on your skin. Apply this ice cube till it finishes on your face and exposed body parts and leave it for 15 minutes. After that, you wash your face and the exposed body parts, and you will see the difference that there will be no effect of suntan on your body and face, even if you have not used the sunscreen cream. So this is a home remedy, very good, even if you are coming back from the sun or even if you are at home, you can use it anytime. So be beautiful, look beautiful, be happy. Thank you. Bye. Hello everyone, how are you? So you can see the effect on my face. I've been using these suntan ice cubes since last month and it's really effective. So this is a live testimonial, and you please use homemade things like I have put earlier my coffee scrub, my tomato and rice flour scrub, and it's working on my face, you can see. And I'm not, since this is a lockdown period, and you can see that we cannot go to the parlors, and so I'm working at home on my face. How is it? You also do it. You also look beautiful. Be beautiful. Look beautiful. Thank you. Bye.